Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we have another problem. So let's see the problem. So in this problem we have to find the first and last purchase per customer. So first and last purchase per customers, and also we have to create two data sets, first order and last order, and first order should contain the first purchase per customer and the last order should contain last purchase per customer. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So basically because we in this data set these values are not properly sorted in any particular order, by using that that will help us in finding out the first order and last order for each customer. So let's do a proc sort first. So we can do this by proc sort data equal to this orders data set, and we can sort this data set by customer ID and order date. Run. So let's run this. Okay, so currently if you can see, when we have submitted this proc sort state code, so it basically turns our data set into a particular order. So we have two customers details together, similar customer details together, and also the order dates are sorted in ascending to descending. Okay, so this is our first order and this is our second order. Similarly for this customer, this is our first order and this is our second order or last order. And similarly for this customer ID C003, we have three rows, out of which first row is for the first order and the last row is for the last order. So to fetch these details, first order detail and last order detail, in two different data sets, what we can do is, now we can create two different data sets. First is for the first order and the second is for the last order, and we can set this orders data set by, we can set this by customer, because we have to separate the if you can see, we have to separate, we can identify the record, first record and last record, directly by looking into the customer. So if this is the first record, then this is the first order, and if this is the last record for this customer, then this is the last record. So that is why in the by statement I'm just taking customer, and what I can do is I can write one more condition: if first dot customer, then output, and output to which data set? The first order data set, right? And similarly I can write if last dot customer ID, then output to which data set? Last order data set, right? And run. So let's run this and see. So now if you can see, we have this first order data set, and in this first order data set we have the rows for the first order, and also we have this last order data set, and we have this last order for each customer ID in this data set. So this is how we can solve this problem. And also what we can do is, we can also use the proc print data equal to first order, run, and also similarly we can write the proc print for the last order data equal to last order, and run, just to see if we are getting the correct values. We can also do the proc print, and this is the first order details and this is the last order details for each customer. So I hope this question is, and this problem is clear to you. So this question is very important as per the interview point of view. So going forward I'll be solving more problems on my channel. So if you like my video, or if you like if you want to get proper notification regarding my video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.